So if I was hiring a contractor, I would want to make sure that A, they're reputable, B, they have insurance, C, they do good work, and then D, that they don't use subcontractors. Not that there's anything wrong with subs, but you can control more if they're not subs, like as a business level on quality control. If Carter did windows today and gutters tomorrow, is he going to be really good at doing gutters? No, he's going to be, average mediocre, mediocre at best at all of them, where our guys only do gutters every single day.
Going back to the insurance part of it, I think that's extra important, and that's one thing that I feel like a lot of people don't think about, because these people are going to be working on your house. They are going to be on a ladder. If there's a fall, you want to make sure that, if they go to the hospital or they break something, or, a ladder falls on the car or whatever the case may be, that you're not going to be out of pocket. So I think insurance is a big deal, and I feel like once you get to some of the one-man bands, I feel like that's a step that some of them skip just because, insurance is expensive, but it's worth it to have because you want to have it in case something does happen, in case there is an accident. The biggest one is going to be workman's compensation. That's going to cover if they fall off the ladder and they get hurt, because that can be the most expensive thing. Auto liability, obviously if you have a car in the driveway, you want it to be protective, and then general liability as well, and that's just going to cover anything.
Customers can actually verify proof of insurance, and companies like we use Acuity Insurance, and they will make a proof of insurance for the customer, literally filled out for the customer. You just look at each individual line item and just make sure that they have more than enough coverage.